So, hey guys, Chris here. Today I'm bringing a brand new video. It is 8:51 in the morning. It's Monday. There's no school. Oh, thank God. I barely woke up. Finna, finna brush my teeth in a little bit. I got dressed. My mom's gonna go apply for a job. I'm rocking my polo. You know what it is. My mom's gonna go apply in a job with my aunt. Yeah, hopefully they accept them. Wish them good luck. Hold up, guys. Hold up. Before I get on with this video, stop, like, subscribe, comment. Do that right now. I'm not going further with this video until you like, subscribe, comment. Have you done it? Alright, good job. Thank you. I'm trying to hit 20 subscribers by, let's say August, or I don't know. It's up to y'all. I got a tripod. I'm not gonna be vlogging while I'm at the store while my mom's supplying, because I can't do that. So yeah, guys, we'll see. I just wanted to come up here to say hi, guys. Hopefully you're doing good. Yup. Yup. Catch me outside. How about that? Yup. What'd you say? The audience are a bunch of hoes? Yup. Yup. Catch me outside. How about that? Excuse me, what did you say? What I just said. Cash me out. Guys, right here in the tripod in the bottom, I thought it extended, but it doesn't actually. It's just a normal tripod. Ooh, that feels good finally. Ah, but it falls like if. Oh, no, I don't want to vlog like that. So yeah, guys. I just want to come out here and say, what's up, guys? Hopefully you're having a good day. If you want to skip this part of the video, you can. I'm going to be putting on my socks and deciding what shoes I'm going to wear. Oh. Hold up. There we go. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm gonna wear these because I ran out of my Hilfiger ones. So I'll play black socks, whatever. I'll just put these on real quick. What I do to put on long socks, because I have a fat foot, I just do this. Fold them up, fold them all the way to the bottom, and just zip right on. Like that. See, that's why tripods work good. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't have a tripod. I love tripods. Sorry for not uploading yesterday, guys. I had a lot of family stuff, so yeah. Next. Today's President's Day. I think it's President's Day. Yeah, Prince Royce. What the heck? But they're free. does the camera look like that? I don't know. Guys, if the video right now like looks like I'm moving slow, please excuse that. I don't know why it does that. That's why I don't like it does that. Well, my phone does that, not the camera. I don't have a camera. I do have one, but like I'm still not gonna use it. I don't have a memory card for that, and I don't have a computer for it. So yeah. What shoes should I put on today? Hold up, guys. I'm gonna pause this video. Alright, guys. I'm back. So I'm gonna take my Air Forces. Whatever. I'm gonna take them. You guys see that? It was my 4 ounce. I'm not sure if I should. Yeah, I'm gonna take them. Sneakerhead Nation. And Pothead Nation. No, I'm not a pothead. I'm not a crackhead. I don't smoke. I don't do drugs. No, that's not good for you guys. My grills got lost. I bought some grills like 2 days ago. About 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Like, they're nice grills. They're for the bottom grills. Oh, I hate. Yeah, I'm not taking these guys. What's it called? There was a thunderstorm severe yesterday. It was horrible, dude. It was in my area. Hello, guys. I'm gonna answer this call. There was a tornado in our area. Let's go. I'm pressing this my phone in. 3040. Guys, one day, I'm gonna be chasing a tornado for you guys. There's a tornado! What? We chased a tornado! Alright, let's retry this. So we're right here in Dallas. We are in a severe storm. There's a tornado alert. There's a tornado right there, guys. Jesus, guys, we gotta take cover. That's how it will be if we chased a tornado outside. I'll be going like this because I think I have my grill. Mom, voy a buscar mis dientes. A ver si están allá afuera. Right? No está frío. It's not cold. It's normal, dude. Alright, so right now, I'm going to go look for my grills. Hopefully they're there. Dude, it was horrible yesterday with the tornado. Jesus Christ, is that? What the hell is this? No freaking way. That's how you know there's a tornado right there. There was a tornado. Hopefully I find my grills. Oh man, I thought that was my grill. Where were we parked yesterday? We parked here, I think. Yeah, it was here. Oh, right here. No, that's not my grill. Yep, my grill's gone. I'm talking about gone, baby. It's gone. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Guys, that's just gonna be for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Yeah. See you next time.